Welcome to ArtMagic.
In this step-by-step drawing tutorial, we'll guide you on how to draw an adorable flower with a tub. Begin by drawing a small circle in the center of your paper. This will be the flower's face. Add two big, expressive eyes and a happy smile to give your flower a friendly personality. Around the face, draw 8 petals extending outward. Make each petal rounded and slightly overlapping, creating a flower-like shape. Remember, there's no need for perfection, just have fun with it. Underneath the flower, draw a tub by creating an oval shape. Connect it to the flower's base with a curved line, forming the bottom of the tub. Now comes the exciting part, coloring. Use bright and cheerful colors to bring your flower and tub to life. Experiment with different color combinations, and don't forget to add a splash of color to the water in the tub. Congratulations, little artists! You've successfully drawn a cute flower with a tub. Keep practicing, experimenting with colors, and most importantly, have fun with your drawings. Stay tuned for more exciting tutorials to nurture your budding artistic talents. Please share your home paintings, drawings, and coloring with me on my Facebook page, ArtMagic Drawings. Visit our page where you'll find numerous drawings available for printing and coloring.
By the way, don't mind clicking a tiny button, the one marked subscribe. Yeah, I know it doesn't make a big difference to you, but to our team, it does.